Hi everyone! Today we are making this beautiful checkered bikini top. For this project, you will need 2 skeins of cotton or acrylic yarn in contrasting colors and a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to make a slip knot, but make sure to leave a long tail before you start. Now, make a foundation chain until you reach the length of your underbust measurement. For row 1, we start our checkered design. We are going to change color every 4 HDC stitches across the row. Moving on to row 2, chain 2 and make a decrease at the beginning and at the very end of the row. For the rest of the stitches, just follow the same color pattern as the previous row to create your blocks. By the way, if you want to follow along with the text, the written free tutorial is available down in the description. For row 3, chain 2 and decrease again at the beginning and the end of the row. This time, change the color pattern from the previous row to switch the blocks and create that beautiful checkerboard effect. Rows 4 to 16, chain 2 and keep decreasing at the beginning and the end of each row. Remember to follow the color pattern of the row below to keep building your blocks. As you decrease, your work will naturally shape into a triangle. Now your first piece should look like this. Cut your yarn and weave in the ends. Next, you just need to make another one exactly like this to create the second triangle cup. Once both cups are ready, we are going to create the underbust channel to join them together.
Go to the bottom of the cup and work this sequence. Chain 4 and skip 4 stitches. Repeat this pattern all the way across to create the loops. Then do the exact same thing on the other cup. To finish the top, make one last long strap and weave it right through the underbust channel to connect and adjust both cups. And that's it! Your checkered bikini. tail we left at the beginning of the project. Make a loop on your hook. This will count as your first chain, and crochet your strap. Finally, make 2 straps and attach them to the top of each cup to tie around the neck. Bikini top is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description for the full pattern details. Happy crocheting!